Okay, so now let's graph y equals 2 to the power of x, and I'm just going to draw a pretty small table of values here so that we have some points of reference at least. And I'll plug in -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 for x, and figure out what y is from there. So if I plug in -2 for x, I get 2 to the power of -2. And if I have a negative exponent, I can just put 1 over 2 squared, which is just 1/4. So that's just going to be 0.25. If I plug in -1 for x, 2 to the power of -1 is just half, because it's 1 over 2, right? If you have any doubts, please plug these numbers into the calculator. 2 to the power of 0 is actually 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Then we have 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the 1 is just 2. What about 2 squared? If I plug in the 2 for x, I'm going to get a 4. And actually, let's do one more. What if x is 3? 2 cubed is 8. Great. Now we have enough points to graph. And of course, each set of points here, actually these represent coordinates, right, for x and y. So x equals -2, and y is just a quarter, so somewhere over here. Then if x is -1, y is half, somewhere there. If x is 0, y is 1. If x is 1, y is 2. If x is 2, y is 4. Finally, if x is 3, y is 8. So I like to call this graph the Superman run, because it looks like Superman's running, then it just takes flight over here. So actually, let me just try to draw a smooth curve in this part. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. And then over on this side, there's going to be an asymptote. Basically, we're never actually going to reach the 0, but it's going to get very close to it. So just for purposes of illustrating this, I'm just going to draw a straight line. But it's actually not straight. It's a little bit curvy, but it's kind of hard to see because the numbers are very small. So basically, that's the basic shape of y equals 2 to the power of x. And getting familiarized with this is very important for graphing exponents as well as logs. So good luck, and try to have fun with graphing these exponents. Good luck.